In the world of motivational and inspirational stories, there are few figures as compelling and enlightening as a Zen master. Their wisdom transcends the ordinary, offering profound insights into living a happier, more fulfilling life. In this tale, we explore the journey of a Zen master who showed us that happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but can be found within ourselves. Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled between emerald hills and a murmuring river, there lived a renowned Zen master named Eiji. His reputation for wisdom and serenity drew people from far and wide to seek his guidance. One sunny morning, a young man named Hiroshi arrived at the temple where Eiji resided. Hiroshi was troubled by the challenges life had thrown his way. He had recently lost his job, and his future seemed uncertain. He was looking for answers, for a way to stay happy in the face of adversity. Eiji welcomed Hiroshi with a warm smile and invited him to sit in the temple's peaceful garden. The Zen master served tea, and they began to converse. Eiji listened attentively to Hiroshi's concerns and struggles, and then he shared his wisdom. "Life is like a river," Eiji said, gesturing to the river that flowed nearby. "It has its ups and downs, but its essence remains constant. To stay happy in every situation, you must learn to flow with life's currents, rather than resist them." He continued, "Happiness is not found in the external world. It resides within you. It's a state of mind, not a destination. You can choose to be happy no matter the circumstances, for happiness is a choice." Hiroshi was intrigued, but uncertain. Eiji decided to illustrate his point through a series of lessons. Lesson 1. Embrace the present moment. Eiji took Hiroshi on a walk through the temple's gardens. He pointed to the blooming flowers and told him, "The present moment is all we truly have. Embrace it, for happiness resides in the here and now." Lesson 2. Let go of attachments. They returned to the temple, and Eiji handed Hiroshi a small empty cup. He poured tea into the cup until it overflowed. Just as this cup cannot hold more tea, your life cannot hold more happiness if you're filled with attachments, grudges, and worries. Empty your cup to make room for joy. Lesson 3. Cultivate inner peace. Eiji guided Hiroshi in meditation, teaching him to quiet his mind and find inner peace. Within the stillness of your mind, you'll discover the source of lasting happiness. It's always within you, waiting to be uncovered. Lesson 4. Practice gratitude. Every morning, Eiji and Hiroshi sat by the river, silently observing the sunrise. Eiji said, "Gratitude is the key to happiness. Instead of focusing on what you lack, be thankful for what you have. The rising sun is a reminder that each day is a gift." Lesson 5. Live with compassion. Eiji encouraged Hiroshi to perform acts of kindness and compassion for others. Happiness grows when it's shared. Help others find their happiness, and you'll find your own. As the days turned into weeks, Hiroshi diligently practiced these lessons. He began to see the world through a different lens. Instead of dwelling on his past job loss, he embraced the opportunities the present moment offered. He let go of grudges and worries, experiencing a newfound lightness of being. His meditation practice brought him a profound sense of inner peace, and his heart swelled with gratitude for the simple joys of life. Eiji's teachings had transformed Hiroshi, and he realized that staying happy in every situation was not only possible, but also a choice he could make every day. He expressed his gratitude to Eiji, who simply smiled and said, "The true master is the one who teaches themselves." As Hiroshi bid farewell to Eiji, He carried the Zen Master's wisdom with him, becoming a source of inspiration for those he met on his journey. Hiroshi's story of transformation and his newfound ability to stay happy in every situation touched the lives of countless people, just as Eiji had touched his. In the end, this tale reminds us that happiness is not an elusive goal, but a choice we can make in every situation, just as the Zen Master Eiji taught Hiroshi, and now, through Hiroshi's story, teaches us all.